Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to share using Lync Google Sheets on computer. So how to share using Lync Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. To share using Lync, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the File menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear that you can use. Tap the Share menu. Now here several options appear. Tap Share with others. Now it will appear like this. In the General section ACE. What here? Now select on anyone in this section tap. With the link. Next tap this. And three options appear here. Choose according to your needs. And then tap on this logo to copy the link or take the link to share. Tap Done. Now here it's finished. Send the copied link to the person you want to send it to. So that's it, tutorial how to share using Google Sheets on computer Lync. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.